Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. This car came with a clean CARFAX. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. Let's start with the front bumper. Alright, let's have a look at the hood of the car. The front looks perfect. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. I'm not seeing any scratches on this fender, and the wheel is in good condition. Take a look at the driver's door. Perfect. Now the quarter panel and wheel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches on the quarter panel or no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the car. Perfect. No scratches on the back bumper at all. Everything here is spotless and in good condition. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Alright, this quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's move on to the passenger door. I'm not seeing any scratches on this door at all. Everything here is spotless. Now the last fender and wheel. The fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look inside. Alright, the driver's side is in good condition. Let's take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior, starting with the center console. Perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. That looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there either. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's take a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.